Are you struggling to grow on social media? Here is the reason why your followers count is not increasing. Data. You're not harnessing the potential of data to your advantage. Hi, this is Praveen from Picmaker. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to grow fast on social media using Picmaker Analytics. Stay with me till the end because I'm going to tell you 5 actionable tips that can drive your social media results fast. Picmaker Analytics is a social media analytics tool that can help you understand how your content is performing on different social media platforms. With that, you can drive your growth in various aspects. That's not all. It helps you to take crucial decisions on your social media strategy. Let's see how. To get started with Picmaker Analytics, you need to sign up for an account on Picmaker. Once you have signed up, you can log into the dashboard and click on Social Analytics. Welcome to Picmaker Advanced Analytics. I'll show you how to project your social media numbers here. All you need to do is just click on All Profiles or Select Profiles and connect your social media accounts to Picmaker. Once you're done, you'll be able to choose your profiles. Feel free to opt for multiple profiles. The beauty of Picmaker Analytics is, no matter how many profiles you choose, it aggregates the overall summary. What does it mean? It means you can get a bird's-eye view of your entire social media content performance. It includes number of posts, likes, impressions, comments, reach, and engagement. What are these numbers on green? These are increase or decrease in percentage of your post performance compared to the previous period. We always want to visualize our data. So here is your performance graph. With this data, you can clearly see which of your social media accounts are performing good. You can switch this graph to total impressions, engagement, likes, and comments. If you prefer a table view, you can always scroll down and measure it your way. With this section, we are giving you opportunity to find which type of content is performing well for you. Just like metric insights, you can switch between impressions, engagements, likes, and comments. You can click on a particular post and see the complete data of the post performance. Can you only see your top performing post on Picmaker? You can measure the performance of all your social media platforms. With Post Analytics, you can filter the post by keywords or even a hashtag. What's more interesting is, you can sort them by likes, comments, impressions, reach, engagement, saves, views, and date. Feel free to switch the order to find the best and worst performing content. Here are 5 actionable tips that can help you drive your social media results fast with Picmaker Analytics. Identify your best performing post and create more content like them. Use the top performing post section to find out what type of content is resonating with your audience. Track your engagement rate and improve it by creating more engaging content. Use the metric insights section to see your engagement rate for each platform. Find your growth hashtag. You can use the post analytics section to filter posts by hashtags and see which one is working for you. Find your content pattern that drives more comments. Sort your posts by comments to see which content garnered more comments. These content relate well with your audience, so make more of this content to drive results fast. Revisit your social media strategy. Experiment with different types of content and posting times to see what works best for your audience. Always measure your result with Picmaker Analytics. Hope you learned how to use Picmaker Analytics to step up your social media game. Follow the 5 tips that I shared to achieve success fast on social media. Hit the like button and consider subscribing to watch more videos like this. I'll catch you in the next one.